This is number 83 in our Chapter 5 review, where we're asked to simplify and write our answer in with only positive exponents. So this is a situation where clearly we have a negative exponent outside the parentheses. So one way to do this would be to start by making that exponent positive, which means we have to take that base of x to the 4/5 power and reciprocate it. So write it as 1 over x to the 4/5 power. And now it will be to the positive 1/2 power. So again, that negative exponent doesn't make the base negative, it makes the base flip. So x to the 4/5 over 1 becomes 1 over x to the 4/5. And now we have to remember that when we have a situation like this, we multiply these exponents together. And so 1 to the 1/2, 1 to any power is going to be 1. X to the 4/5, we're going to be multiplying 4/5 to the 1/2, so multiplying 4/5 by 1/2. And we get 4/10. But 4/10 reduces to 2/5 because both 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. So we end up with 1 over x to the 2/5 power.